Yep.
Yeah.
That's the Monday morning smile right there, if I ever seen one. Did you have a good weekend at least?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had a good. I worked at the
I worked my butt
house.
off.
We come
but
down
other
here.
than that,
It's looking pretty clean under there.
yeah.
Not even done tidied up yet, and it's looking pretty clean.
Yeah, I see you gotta wait for the column. That's for the tack and all that, you know.
Yep.
And these are extras just in case. They're
But just
fused.
in case, why those are
They're
big.
fused, and then this one's for the heater and air conditioner.
Okay.
And, yeah, it's coming out along. But
So it's been together, and now it's coming apart. Now it's going together.
Well, I
again.
had to remodel the dimmer switch.
Oh, because you made the vent.
Yeah, it made the vents, and it wasn't going to fit. But
Okay.
see, now they'll fit. I had to scoot it over just a hair. And then we have the vents up there. And then also made some relief for all these wires coming through here for the MSD. And then where I had to put the wires through the floor down here to cut a little notch out of that, so they ain't all cramped up anyway. You know what I mean?
Starting to come together.
See, and it's
So that
all
makes a
tidy.
difference right there.
Yeah, it's all tidy and stuff up under there.
The fuse box.
Yeah, a fuse box up here with the cover on it, and of course this will go up here.
All right.
That's
So
for the steering column, for the blinker switches and all that.
you definitely got a day's work here, so I'll just keep checking back on you.
All right, yeah. See, there's a bracket I made for the air conditioner.
Yep. Yeah, that
probably
worked out good.
Yeah, I want to make another brace from here down to here. I mean, it's solid, but that big old thumping motor he's got up there in
Yeah,
front,
it'll be vibrating.
liable to shake a little bit, you think?
Yep. Well, very good.
All right.
All right, you coming up with a plan here?
No,
No?
kind of, sort of, maybe.
You're gonna go in there with it?
Huh?
You're gonna go in there with the dryer?
No, I can't. I was kind of looking at that, but it's really the wrong connections.
Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't.
Yeah, it's got to be one of these on each end of it.
Yep.
You know, straight or a. Yeah. Anyway, it's got to be these.
Yep. You got the vents in. That looks good.
That'll work, won't it?
Yeah. Got that side in.
Yeah.
Kind of up in there. Speakers are up in there.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm sure they're wired in since
Yep.
panels are on.
Yep.
So now it's to figure out where to put the bulkhead and
Yeah.
how to put them guys in.
Kind of getting tight. I got to keep it down under the header since that compressor is down low, so I'm probably going to bring them down and run them through right here.
Oh, that might be easier though.
Yeah.
Compared to, that'd give you a little bit of turning room somewhat.
Yeah, and because I don't want to, because you got to keep away from the headers because it's going to get awful hot.
We can put some 90s on it down there.
Yeah, see, that's what I was figuring. Come down here.
Yep.
And see, it'll go into the bulkhead like this.
Oh yeah.
I can make a fancy little cover and still have plenty of feet room, you know.
Yeah, I remember trying to just turn them and go out right there.
Here?
Create the, yeah.
Well, I'm kind of keeping the firewall clean, and then it just be you just see it so much if it's down here.
Down there'd be better because the thing is so low.
Yeah. Be
That'd
down
be
low,
good.
and then all of it will run along the frame at the bottom there into the compressor up there.
Yep. A lot of work.
I think so.
We're gonna find out
Yeah.
in the next clip
been-
that I edit in.
Okay, well, studying hard before I start boring holes
Yeah,
down through
yeah,
here, you know.
yeah. Drill once on this one.
Yeah, it's that. Yeah.
Well,
That's
good.
about the way I think I've got it figured. And I think I've got enough room. Once we get the radiator on, I'll put this up there by the radiator, and then it'll drop down to the compressor. It'll have to come out here and back to the
That'll work.
compressor.
Oh, very good. It's like we're making holes.
Yeah.
We got the bulkhead in. Coming down, going around.
I hate plumbing.
Got the bulkhead coming in on the backside.
I'm gonna have to thin down the firewall. That ain't tightening it up.
Oh.
Whoop, somebody got carried away on the fiberglass.
Uh-oh.
Nah, it ain't no biggie. I can pull it back off and take the angle grinder, thin it down. See, this'll come up here and that'll come right down there.
It'll be all pretty.
Yeah, it'll be all pretty. Anyway, and see, it'll be off out of here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like I said, I'll have to build a, you know, a cover over the top of it. You still got plenty of foot room, 3 feet down there. So.
Next up, get the hoses. We got the crimpers up in the other building, but
Yeah.
make the hoses first, I guess.
Yeah, that's what you got to do. Get them the right length.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll come out of the bulkhead along the frame up there and try to keep it in behind the frame.
Then you're gonna put the dryer up.
Yeah, behind
On
the
the
frame,
frame.
back here. Yep.
So if I say you're around the corner, I won't be lying, right?
Right. Yeah.
So you're coming down
Yep.
and you're around the corner.
Yeah.
You kind of got that
Through
figured
the
out where they're
firewall.
going.
Yeah, something like that.
Kind of cut and do, and
Yeah.
something to make sure these will probably all be pressed by the time we see them again. But see the hole up in there?
Yep. The rubber's in it.
Make sure the rubber is in the hole. So that gives you an idea that you're
How
down
many of
far
them did
enough.
we learn when we
I'm assuming that's what that hole is for.
I guess so, to make sure.
I don't know what else to be for, but
Yeah.
it's real handy. You can see that the rubber's all the way pushed down in
Yeah.
it. So
Let me measure one more time just to be sure. See, aught's a knot, digit's a digit. Okay,
all right.
9 inches what I come up with.
So I'm sure Tim will be watching this one.
Oh yeah.
It's pure insanity, but it's coming out pretty clean here. So
I'm trying.
tomorrow you'll be around the corner and probably working on wiring in here. Or
Nobody has
something. Who
ever
knows?
invested in a pair of these. They need to.
Oh, I got a pair of those
Have you?
up in my box. I got 2 of them. I got the big and the little.
Oh, okay.
They are handy.
Yes, they are. Look,
The
listen,
flat hose,
look.
the hose cutters. That's not an official hose cutter. That's more like your garden variety. Sure, but
No, it's Fiskars, maybe.
Fiskars.
It works.
That's
anyway.
the garden variety.
That's very garden.
No, I was going to get them from that Snap-on company, and they were crazy expensive. And I
Oh,
got
yeah.
them. I got them at Lowe's. I got 2 of them, a big
Uh-huh.
one and a little one,
Yeah.
for way less.
Yeah.
And every time I look at them, I'm like, holy cow! If your finger was in there and somebody pushed it
Oh,
down,
yeah,
because it's got a
don't you know
razor
it.
knife.
Yeah.
It just
Oh,
cut
that's
it right
right. Yours is interchangeable, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think I've seen a pair of yours.
Yeah. Well, I think I still got them. But anyway,
Yeah.
they're at Trinity. So that's it. We're going to wrap this video for today.
Right. And this goes here, and then we'll go off against over here, and we'll be nice and neat and tidy.
All right.